So you've got a gaming laptop, but are thinking about an upgrade. How do you know when it's time to get a new gaming laptop? Well, the short answer is simple. You should buy a new gaming laptop when the one you have no longer does what you need. And our gaminglaptop.deals website will help you save money on your next gaming laptop with the link below. But the longer answer involves being able to identify the different signs that let you know it's time that you need to buy a new gaming laptop. So here are my top 3 signs that it's time to buy a new gaming laptop. But first, this part of the video is sponsored by Acer's Predator Helios 18 gaming laptop. Not only do games just look better on a larger 18-inch screen, but the mini LED panel offers stunning visuals with super high brightness and vibrant colors that pop. The swappable WASD keys let you customize your gaming experience. Choose between a snappy mechanical click or a smoother linear press. Powered by up to Intel Core i9-14900HX processor with the latest performance hybrid architecture and NVIDIA's RTX 4090 graphics, Acer's Predator Helios 18 is built to dominate the latest games. Not to mention the fresh new design, liquid metal cooling, and latest Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Level up your gaming experience with the link below. Alright, the biggest sign that it's time to buy a new gaming laptop is when the games you want to play don't run smoothly anymore at the setting levels that you think are acceptable and the resolution that you want to play at. Whether that's 1080p, 1440p, or something else, depending on the resolution of the screen of your laptop or the screen you've got plugged into the laptop. Now, you can absolutely get more life out of your gaming laptop by compromising and lowering the resolution or settings in the game, but you won't be able to keep doing that forever. Eventually, you'll get to the point where either the game just looks crap and you don't want to play it, or even at the lowest possible settings, the frame rate isn't usable. So if you prefer playing games with a better visual quality and higher FPS, then it might be time to upgrade to a new gaming laptop. The second big sign that it's time to upgrade to a new gaming laptop is that there have just been advancements in technology, and there are new features that you want to take advantage of. For example, if you want to use modern upscaling features to boost your frame rate in games, there's features like NVIDIA's DLSS, AMD's FSR, or Intel's XeSS. Fortunately, FSR works on pretty much any modern GPU, but DLSS on the other hand requires an NVIDIA RTX GPU, and according to Hardware Unboxed, DLSS is the superior option. So if you're still holding onto that GTX 1060 gaming laptop, you can use FSR but not DLSS. And NVIDIA's frame generation with DLSS 3 only works on RTX 40 series GPUs. Now, you can argue about fake frames all you want down in the comments, but the fact is, frame generation results in smoother feeling gameplay, and personally, I use it anytime it's available in a game I'm playing. Now, I am not saying that you need to upgrade your gaming laptop just to get frame generation. I'm just using it as one example of a newer feature that you might be able to get access to if you were upgrading your gaming laptop. Basically, newer technology just has newer features. That's the way it goes. Meanwhile, on the CPU side, modern processors have built-in NPUs for AI acceleration. And although this isn't really useful for gaming just yet, it's possible that your applications and workloads might be able to benefit from this newer hardware. So yeah, it's access to those sorts of newer advancements that you would be getting with a newer gaming laptop. Most of the tech improvements in a gaming laptop come from the CPU and GPU. And because 99% plus of gaming laptops have those soldered to the motherboard and cannot be upgraded, the only real way to get an actual upgrade is to sell your existing gaming laptop and buy a new one. Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with having the latest and greatest tech, but the simple fact is you don't have to break the bank to have a good time in the latest games. Modern mid-range gaming laptops can run pretty much any current game no problem, and offer a great ratio of price to performance. So that would be like your NVIDIA RTX 4060 for $900 kind of range. The third sign that it's time to buy a new gaming laptop is physical wear and tear. Look, nothing lasts forever. Eventually, everything fails and stops working. And that includes both you and me. So if your older laptop has picked up some issues like a failing hinge, cracked chassis, dead pixels on the screen, keys on the keyboard that don't work properly anymore, a battery that no longer holds charge, then yeah, it's probably time for an upgrade. Of course, depending on the seriousness of the problem, you can probably take the laptop in for repair and save some money. You might be able to buy a replacement battery or screen, for instance. But if your laptop is on the older side anyway and already struggling to play games, then there's probably not too much point sinking even more money into it at this point. You'll probably be better off putting that money towards a newer gaming laptop. And if it's time for you to buy a new gaming laptop, you can find the best prices at our gaminglaptop.deals website. You can find the link below below. We update it every day to include all of the latest sales, so make sure that you check it out regularly to save money on your next gaming laptop. But before you spend money on a new gaming laptop, you can use these tips to make your gaming laptop last even longer. So I'll see you in that one next to get the most out of your current gaming laptop.